Welcome to the channel. My name is Nick and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points, and every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all this free content, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about ETH USD. Why do I want to speak about it? Because we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. Starting from the higher time frame, we will then go down and check what we have from an on-chain perspective. So basically to see what is actually happening on exchanges, where are the Ethereums moving. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on this pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that here in the monthly, we have a market which is currently testing previous monthly resistance, which was resistance here, and again here, which now that the market has broken it to the upside, is turned support and demand here. And as we're testing this previous resistance turn support, there is definitely the possibility to see this market provide a rejection to the upside. So on the monthly, everything seems quite bullish. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here on the weekly, first of all, we can clearly see how we are currently testing previous weekly resistance turn support at this level. And as we're testing previous resistance turn support, there is a good probability to see a rejection to the upside, possibly even for the creation of a new all-time high. In general, when you have an impulse and you want to measure the correction, you must take your Fibonacci on the impulse leg, which in this case is from this low to this high. And if we take our Fibonacci from this low to this high, we can see how we had a perfect test, multiple actually tests of the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this weekly impulse. The market tested its zone multiple times, and currently it is rejecting it to the upside, and we can expect the market to print new all-time highs. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here on the daily, what we can see is that at the moment we do have resistance at this area. And as we are currently creating this high and resistance zone until the market will manage to break above it, we can't expect a continuation to the upside. Now, if we go and see what is going on from an on-chain perspective, I can make this chart bigger so you can see it more clearly. And we go, for example, on the hourly, we can clearly see how the amount of Ethereums on exchanges has continuously decreased, meaning that at the moment we are getting a big outflow of Ethereums from exchanges, which could easily create a supply shock. And if we actually do get a supply shock, we can expect very explosive price action, okay? So the way in which we will be approaching this with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. If we actually get a break and close above this resistance, after the break on the retest of this previous resistance turn support, inside of here, what we will be doing is monitoring price action with students from an intraday perspective, so 4 hour and lower. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to potentially create new all-time highs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.